All right, and we're back. All right, today's video is just a quick unpacking. I'm doing it inside the house because it's 40 degrees out. So we're gonna see what we got here. This is a deal that I got again off of eBay. You guys know how cheap I am. So we're gonna see if my cheapness paid off. Wow, good job wrapping them anyway. All right, let's see what we got here. Jeez, Pete. Oh, some good, healthy wrapping. No two ways about it. All right. As you can tell, what we have are mini boards. Good shape front and back. Let's get the other one out. And these are for my passenger position. Here we go. Yep, very good. They're cold, so you can see my fingerprints on them. Like, it's like that's not scratches. They are in really good shape. They're not dug up. Basically, what I'm going to do is I've ordered the adapters. So remove this Allen head bolt. This comes off, and then there's an adapter that goes on, and you put it back together, obviously, with blue Loctite, and it gives you the wider mount for the softails. So I picked these up, believe it or not, for 40 bucks off of eBay. Obviously, if you guys have shopped for these things, you know how much they go for. Main reason I wanted these, my wife can't stand foot pegs any longer. So she has to have something a little wider for her feet, and these should do the trick. I usually like to run the mini 4-inch floorboards, which is what I have on the back of my Street Glide, but in this case, the price was right. We're gonna go for a set of these tapered mini footboards, and they should do the trick perfectly for her. Black and chrome to match the floorboards I recently put on. So hopefully see you guys in a week or two if it warms up a little bit, and we'll do a how-to video for the swap out. All right, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.